With meteorologist Dave Aiken for a look at the forecast. Dave, hopefully we are not expecting any more snow anytime soon.
No, certainly not at the level we saw yesterday across the area. Here, Lindsay, I can tell you these are the top 5 most snow in one day scenarios that we've had, like a 24-hour snowfall since records have been kept. And 20 inches, a one-day total back in 1927 on March the 3rd. And then we had a December 9th, 2018 storm that had 12 inches in one day, and March 1st, 1969. So those are the top 5 right there. They're all double-digit snow totals. And then number 6, that didn't make it on that list, was yesterday, January 31st. We had 10.3 inches of snow at the airport in Greensboro. Officially the snowiest January day on record, and the biggest triad snow we've had since December 2018. So that one will go kind of down in the record books by itself for yesterday and the snowiest January day we've ever seen. And then these are some other snowfall reports. I'll try to get through a bunch of them here so you can see them. If not, go to WXI12.com. There's a posting there, and it's got county by county layout when you click on it. 16 inches reported in Lexington, 13.8 Thomasville, over 12 inches in High Point, 11 inches Winston-Salem, and a little over 10 in Greensboro, as I just mentioned. Trinity got over 16 inches, and Asheboro over 10, Eden 8.6 inches. Snowfall reports from Mount Airy, they got 10.2 inches, 7.5 in Yadkinville, and Wilkesboro got 7 inches yesterday. Beach Mountain 12.5 inches, 7 at Blowing Rock, and West Jefferson 5.5 inches. So like I said, if you didn't see yours here, WXI12.com, they got big snows. If you remember us talking about it yesterday, the snows over eastern North Carolina down along the beaches too. Duck got 7 inches of snow. Inland Williamston got 10 inches. Greenville 11.5. New Bern 15 inches. Manteo 1.5 inches. And then here's some big totals. Morehead City 10 inches. 5 at Emerald Isle. 16 inches at Hammocks Beach and Surf City with 10 inches. And then you go down south, Wilmington had 5.5 inches. 9 at Carolina Beach and 8 inches at North Myrtle Beach. Ocean Isle, 15 inches of snow yesterday and very early this morning before it all came to an end. It's cold out there tonight. Big bright snow moon out there. 23 Burlington, 21 Greensboro, 22 in Winston-Salem, and single digits up around Sparta and Boone, where it's 9 and 6 respectively. Winds out of the northwest. They're not blowing real hard, but it doesn't take a whole lot to get wind chill values when you've got temperatures this cold out there, so it makes it feel like it's 8 in Winston-Salem and 12 in Burlington and 16 in Asheboro. -3 the wind chill in Sparta and -10 in Boone. And they'll see those numbers continue to go down in the mountain counties tonight. That's why there's this cold weather advisory for the mountains and across areas of the Triad and point south, where even here in the Triad we could see some wind chill values tomorrow morning in the single digits, maybe even close to 0 when the winds blow. And a winter weather advisory, this essentially tells us that the roads are not good. There's some hazardous travel out there, as you know, and our news folks have been taking care of that. So the cold weather advisory until 9 a.m. Monday, cold single digits. The winter weather advisory until 10 for slick snow covered roads. Dress warm and prepare for much slower travel times tomorrow morning if you have to go out. If you don't have to go out, you got that option. Might want to take advantage of it tomorrow. Below normal highs as we go into the remainder of this week, but at least we'll see some 40s coming up in our 7-day forecast. Shower chance midweek, mainly rain north and west. There might be a few flakes that might try to mix in with that. It'd be hard pressed to do it. And then dry Thursday and then on into the upcoming weekend as well. Here's our setup right now. We've got mostly clear skies. Some snows back out over portions of Illinois. These systems that are back out to the west, what's going to come through midweek and give us that shower chance. For tomorrow, sunshine after our impacts in the morning. Temperatures tomorrow will be above freezing, 36. It'll still feel a little chilly with the breezes blowing, but not too bad. 37 in the foothills, mostly sunny skies there. And in the mountains tomorrow, mostly sunny. They won't get to the freezing mark. They'll only get to around 30 tomorrow. Our 7-day forecast shows you tomorrow impact through the morning hours only for the frigid cold temperatures, wind chills, and the slick roads. 37 is our high. Mid-40s for Tuesday, low 40s Wednesday. That's when the rain comes into play. We'll kind of continue to watch that forecast. And 39 Thursday, then we're back in the 40s for Friday and Saturday, and dry for the end of the week too.
From Greensboro to Germantown, WXI.